Home to one of the most impressive collection of wildlife in Indonesia, Bali Zoo stands out among the biggest highlights of the island city. While the sheer variety of biodiversity is staggering, Bali Zoo is better known for its range of experiences, whether it is dining with the jungle animals or going on an elephant safari or nighttime tour of the zoo. The zoo opens at 9 a.m. and is open till 5 p.m. There is an entry fee, and all special experiences within the zoo require a special fee. In the deer park, we can see a variety of deer such as the Javan deer, the spotted deer, cheetal, and sitatunga. The small Timur deer is also housed in this deer park. A number of exotic birds and animals can also be found in this park. The Javan deer are excellent in adapting to their surroundings, and they are able to survive in different types of terrain and food options. The females are small and are known as does, while the males are bucks and they have antlers on their head. These small animals, which quite look like kangaroos, are wallabies, and they are native to New Guinea and Australia. It's lunchtime and they seem to be enjoying their food. The deer are usually herbivores. Some are feeding while others are having their afternoon siesta. The Bali Zoo celebrates the richness of Indonesia's nature, exhibiting some of the rarest indigenous wildlife in the world. This one-of-a-kind zoological park is an excellent place to see the activities of unique and exotic animals in a lush atmosphere. This is an immersive experience, allowing visitors to not just witness but also interact with the wildlife it cradles. Bali Zoo also offers a safari tour for its visitors, and the people can enjoy seeing a large number of animals like elephants, tigers, lions. There are a number of buses, jeeps for such tours. The safari tour is a worthwhile experience. The tiger trail leads us, of course, to the tigers. These tigers are separated by a toughened glass wall. This is the Great Bengal tiger. Isn't it a majestic animal? The lions are kept here. The African lion is also known as the king of beasts. And this is the beautiful white peafowl. Here comes the common peacock. And look at the green peafowl with all its feathers opened. It's a sight to truly behold. These are the electus parrots, and these parrots are the only parrot which can be easily differentiated between the male and female, as they have very different colors. The male have bright emerald green plumage, and the females are bright and they have red purplish blue plumage. Meet the miracate family, who are small mammals who are closely related to the mongoose family. In the safari, you can see the wild buffaloes, the zebras, the rhino, tall giraffe, they are grazing on the trees, and of course the elephants, among many other animals. 2 beautiful hectares of botanical landscape have been crafted into a natural habitat-like sanctuary, research and breeding center for almost 1,000 birds from 250 species. The park features birds from Indonesia, South Africa and Latin America, as well as over 2,000 tropical plants. One can stroll through the park for close encounter with these graceful birds. There is a special area for these Komodo dragons. Because of their huge size and their reputation, they are a popular spot in the zoo. One can feed and watch the birds in action or while they are eating, and you can even have a photo session with the parrots and the cockatoos. This is a sulfur crested cockatoo. Isn't this black cockatoo majestic? It is also known as the palm cockatoo. They are very loud and social birds. The green parrot seems to be hungry and is looking for food, while the grey one seems to be very serious in thought, while these two can be seen playing. The Bali Safari Park takes its role seriously to conserve and protect the unique species for the benefit of environment and of course future generations. Here you can see monkeys, orangutan, chimpanzees, lemurs and of course gibbons. A habitat which quite reflects their natural habitat has been made for them, and they don't seem to get bored. They seem to swing from one branch to the other. There are plenty of orangutans here, and even there's a program in which you can have breakfast with them. The Elephant Mud Fun is an afternoon session in which people can get down and dirty with the friendly Sumatran elephants while discovering their behavior lifestyles from their handlers. It is a very interesting fact that the elephants basking in mud during the summer months, because their high body temperatures generate a great deal of metabolic heat, and with no sweat glands to relieve the internal thermometers, they rely on mud to stay cool and protect themselves from the heat of the sun. This water enclosure is very clean, and on the walls you can see the images of elephants, and there are many man-made waterfalls, and here you can see people enjoying the elephant ride in the water. You can pet the elephants, feed them, and even take a safari in the elephant safari. After strolling around at the Bali Safari Park, now it is time to visit the petting zoo area. This is the Aldabra giant tortoise, which is endemic to the island of Aldabra, which is in Seychelles. Here we can see a snake, and now we see the iguana, which is native to Mexico and Central America. This is the spiny anteater, and here the mirrorkeets seem to be enjoying themselves. We hope you enjoyed this video to the Bali Zoo and Safari. Now we will meet in the next video. Goodbye. Namaste.